Yeah, guys, I just arrived at Polokwane Hospital and I'm going to get myself a nice good vaccine. Let's see how it goes. I wish everything goes smooth and I will update you if I'm gonna keep this camera rolling when I'm getting the vaccine. If anything happens, Bafet, Ramaphosa, you should know it's your fault. It's your fault. Yeah, it's your fault. Let us go there. Hey, yeah, guys, as I said,
The guy, ID,
the ID.
driver's license.
Ke dirang? I don't know. Nna ke a ke nyaka. Eh, nna ke nyaka nna fela. No, ke feditse medication. Skin. Eh, ke mathomo le mafelo. Yes.
So yeah, and it only lasts 2 to 3 days. If you look at it too much,
Pain. Pain get off.
yeah,
More I can understand.
even if maybe they are not handled. No question. If you know, no.
I get a choice.
I want to try.
Okay, so. Ke sa makgetho. One side.
Left side. The direction left or right?
Direction right. You cover kepe. Mara ga ile khona go. Ke re ra re if ke nyako santse go kana ese go emergency.
As long as you leave them on now, you are going to come. Serious. Because I can't.
A ke re ya tshweshejiwa. Ya tshweshejiwa mo lefaseng. Lo je di kwa nka ntwe banna. Batho ba ka reng ke be le ditseba. Ntwe di je di kwa nka ntwe. Eish. Jesus Christ.
And I will go back for you know.
Bona guys, lingekisheni. Yo lingekisheni. Eish. No ka ga ba re ba ntshaka mo.
Relax second.
A ke nya go lebelela.
That's my dear.
28. Mpeng Steve Gate. Ntlo ke yone e botlhokwa man. Ke je ka mo ke di bona. sa bua ke
Hayi,
feditše
wena ka mkhwana o wa jani. Ona sino ba? Ndikamba isizini. Libe. Oh. Esi wena tsino sign. Ah, bo ndisana ka drama sign. Ba jiya ba na. Ka ene dzina rufedzi. Tiro ndo velu.
kwala ID so inga
Au fetja o tjwa magere. O boela gana kwa o thomile ngonta flene le ba le batho ba le. Mola le thomile tšering form ya ka. That's where you're going.
hey mara mmere kwa le na o easy man enga o dia mo o easy wo
Wena o ka o dia o.
a dire le raka mmerekong le re nya ke ntse a re sana choice California ai lena ei se di tšhuile ka moka le rasading ei batho ba oh ke bom ya lena so if you twist the moon you see vaccine pampirele certificate saka asona ka khumana le ntšhetše sona so yeah guys, I just got my vaccine. I am done. Okay, I'm gonna update you guys. I just finished getting my vaccine. I left hospital because there was a problem. I left hospital because I wanted the one way I only get vaccinated once. I don't want to come back, queue again, and do all these crazy things again. So I made sure they told me that here one time it's here in the streets because they're trying to get more people to vaccinate. So I went to the street to go get it. So yeah, I'm afraid I got vaccinated. To be the entertainer. I'm afraid to go correct. Get correct my friends, my fellow friends, my fellow Facebookers. Sorry, ke le betray le ke vaccinate ke merego a senna. So actually ambassador ya non-vaccinating people guys, and I'm not going to be an ambassador of vaccinating. If you don't want to vaccinate, vaccinate, I choose. Be ke to ba lwena no ba go re ke ya gapeletše ya no ke thakane le lo di serious mo life eng. A ke sana choice o swantše ke vaccinate. So this is my card, vaccine card, vaccinated ba fet. My parents are gonna be very happy. Gape le bona gale ba some PPs mo. Wena gape o dia go ra su vaccinate. Oh, wa pheta plate ka gae. O dia go ra su vaccinate. Every answer o dia go ra su vaccine. Ga no go shora wa tsweng. Wa tshwana man. Fuck. Re ke lo dia D10 e chai. Ai dien. E ba bet. Ba tsaka prank ba swala. Amo. Tsaka prank amo. Ba swala. On shit. But they got prank. If I don't vaccinate, mola, carry, faint. I got one about you. I come on, go Mario in you. Good guy. That's it. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for watching. I'm still waiting for me not to feel somehow, but I'm still fine. I'm still fine. But you're gonna feel pain. As you feel a sail on. Like I'm just gonna go into the room so that to go to Balai. Look, sail. So we're fit. Catalaban lead. King could go vaccine. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Yeah, guys. So the vaccine story continues. I was at the. I want to explain why you saw me going to provincial hospital, but then I ended up getting vaccinated in the streets. When I was there, they told me that Pfizer, they're only using Pfizer, and then I'm gonna have to do it twice. So I'm gonna come back again and get vaccinated again. I didn't want that. So I took a walk went straight to the streets. They gave me the location where they are, and I went straight there so that I can get vaccinated once with Johnson and Johnson, so I don't come back here again and I don't do this again as if it's nice. So yeah, I want to clear the air that I left the hospital, went to the streets, and then when I got there, I got the Pfizer, and then they vaccinated me once, and then that is it. I'm a vaccine.